杜撰苏亚长大长度名，故事制作人是个表家亲，主要来家的工地是路基面面，雷家呀的下面的，这个呀的美术长大长度名个名。Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh。这个了高斯巴萨讲，老家的是个，俺们那是个那是。अरे लेचेस लूडू अचेबियो अटारें चामा तदमादेंगो तैयो पयातियों ने दे मोहम्मद हुबा पे बारे यकूलू जीचे कहना रे पयाये जुइन सुवे वे अज्ञाना मा नटावन सेले नटावन सेंगा पयादीनी है दूजन सुया चांदा चांदू मिया कुजा जिजोरी सेगा प्योकिन यादे अटवा उज़वा अनिंदा कयुना ची अल्लाह जी मिया जिजोरी चिबा जाने अचूबे गुयु वमिया में जा प्या जालू बारे चलो अगुलू तुतु चुन आमी नाइन के रहा चलो मेबा मिया ये लूले रेमची टॉपे मु सिया मिया ये यिंतुए बमा सेयिं जिरना अबियने लिंजा पेमु तुए जाम पे बारे दाजों चलो ये मेबा मिया सिया दमा मिया को परमाउज़वा जिजोरी चिबा जाम प्या जालू बारे बिरा लूमियो तोंताव तीमु लोका नीगानी अतेलू चौबे लाके यारे चलो को कयुना मेटा दिया तुएने कुलूं से आपे दे आपी चलो ये प्याये ले जाओ माँ अबे बेगा पेंबू कुई पेजाबी न्यालिन चे तुएगो जिन क्वें पेटे बांग्लादेश असूया ने पेटू तुएगो ले अचूबे चलू दिन चिबा जाम प्या जालू बारे गुंडे से लूजी में म्या कम्या आलूं तीरिया ने बाबे चलो हा कबाजी है मामाई दे चमा सिंह दोका म्यूज़ुंगु देपुई कमे पेलेगु कुकुने ने या बारे दिलू म्यू सुसु अच्छे ने माबे चलो को अमा कोई नाइंडे लेले चेज़िन पेलाओ चुबें जादू दुया दीज़े आवे पे बारे चलो को लुपीता पुने बवागो लुए लेम लियोबू देमने तेजागो लेदा तेपू लेये जिम्पिया पेने दुहाली दीज़े आवे पे बारे अदुदपी अमा लोका तेमा न्याना यिंगे मने याओ पिया म्यासी yen kwe adwe sombe du dwe ale di se adwe be pe bare leza ya bare gunte shi lu jin me mya kmya choro ha ati amle pyu kan ya mu gon pyu kan ya mu mwe ya nengo cha cha pa pa be chu chai kwe ya du dwe ba da jaw di ne lu Mimi kenare gumbi sube wego Singong miazwa jaga Jimba tulo pete twele Jesu tin taitu alungu Suya chanda nya kuza Atu Jesu tin chiba jam pyao jain Chino ye Jesu tin sagago nigun chalai bare Are liches lempia duen le Lungi atugo DJ Maga Tembu nai baze Sia miale Kuzei nipya Jema jenda jabaze Adungo Jesu timbare Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh
Ya, Yata Mara Janta Muhammad Kukai ka nebi ho Jontu nanye Jesu di sakabu Myamalo Yodiya Peda Jombiru Amyaji be Jesu di Jiba Jom Yolo bare Abe o namme Tero namme tasse Asisi aya piloshi Camp 27 Ma nere Muhammad Koli Yata Mara Janta Mya Janta Mya Kuda Ingele lu ကျေးဇူးတင်စကားကိုပြောကြပြနိုင်ပါတယ်မတ်တာရက်ခံပါတယ်ခင်ဗျာ
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of Allah, the most merciful, the most beneficent. Your Majesties, Your Royal Highnesses, distinguished members of the RDHS Committee, respected teachers, their classmates, and honored guests, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. And a very good afternoon to all of you. Today is the day of great happiness for me. I am humbled that the award committee has selected me for this precious award. Thank you to everyone for your continuous support and love. Thank you for the compliment that I still receive from all the places. Your kind and encouraging word strengthens and inspires me. I would like to thank my parents for their unconditional love. Thank you to my father for not cutting my wings and for letting me study at one of the best schools. And also, thank you to all my incredible teachers who inspired me to believe in myself and be brave. Well, in fact, it's a great honor for me to stand here today as a grade 10 student of RDHS on this special occasion. I feel truly grateful to be a part of this ceremony where hard work, dedication, and achievements are being recognized. In addition, I would like to thank our incredible teachers who inspired me to believe in myself and be brave. Your efforts have shaped us not only as a student but also as good human beings. To the fellow student, congratulations to all the award winners. And to those who didn't receive an award today, remember, every day is a new chance to grow and shine. This is not the ending. Let me say something that inspires you even more. As Nelson Mandela once said, education is something that cannot be stolen, that cannot be taken. The more you spend, the more it becomes. The more you share, the more it becomes. That's education. Education is one of the most powerful weapons which you can use to change the world. Education is like a searchlight in our future. Its brightness depends on one's venture to explore and take that venture. Let us dare to dream, to try, to push forward with determination. May Allah continue to bless us all with wisdom and success. With dignity and respect, I would like to say something in Arabic that's supercalifragilisticexpialidocious. Qasaman billahi habibi ana khobas Allah and the sunusowe ya Allah. We will continue acquiring knowledge, inshallah. With deep respect and warmest regard. Thank you very much.